How to log into Milestone Credit Card online account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be talking about accessing your Milestone Credit Card online account, so follow the steps carefully. Begin by navigating to the milestonecreditcard.com website using your preferred web browser, or just simply type in Milestone Credit Card login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites, from where click on the initial one that is indicating homepage Milestone Gold with MasterCard. Click on it and it will take you directly to the login portal. In the first field, enter the correct form of your username. Then in the second field, enter the correct form of your password. And if you haven't registered for the online account yet, you can go ahead and click on this first link of register your account and do it. And in the case if you have forgotten your username or the password, click on this link of forgot username or the password in order to successfully retrieve or reset your credentials. For that, you have to enter your username, your full last 4 digits of your card, your date of birth, your social security number, your 16-digit account number, date of birth and social security number as well, your 16-digit account number and all. Then you will be successfully able to reset your credentials. Now, after entering your username and the password correctly in the first and the second field, click on the login button that is highlighted in yellow color in order to successfully log into your Milestone Credit Card account. So that was all about it. We appreciate your attention and hope that you found the guidelines helpful and easy to follow. For more insightful tips and tutorials, remember to show your support by liking this content and subscribing for future updates. Thank you for choosing Milestone for your credit card needs, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.